so exciting that we have a platform where adaptive riders can come out and race just like the able bodies can, because I know, speaking from my perspective, it's something that I've missed and wanted to get back to for a long time now, and there just hasn't really been anything remotely close to it. So kind of pioneering a sport. It's just really cool to be a part of such a big movement starting out, and I'm just really excited to see where it takes off to.
A little too hot into that one.
How you feeling, Cole?
Solid.
Are you excited for race day?
Yes.
Tell us more.
Practice is good, man. I got 2 laps in this morning, and yeah, they're feeling super smooth and fast. It's just really who's going to be the smoothest and can flow the best and keep their speed going with momentum. Yeah, I'm just excited to ride a fun course with the guys and hopefully get a good clean lap. Take the dub, obviously.
Yeah, it was my fastest run by far, other than the fact that I went down in kind of a stupid section. Yeah. It was, I ran it a lot faster than I had been previously. So I feel like I've improved a lot, and I definitely progressed. So I'm really happy with that. Pulled a 5th with the bail, so I'm, I can't be too upset with that. But yeah, a little disappointed to go down in a stupid spot. But good thing there's good people on the course to haul me up and get me on my way.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. The bottom half was fantastic. Wish I could race like that all the time. Top half, a bit shaky. In the middle half, there was some issues. But
yeah. You looked pinned at the bottom. That's where you like.
Yeah. Bottom was great.
Coming through there.
Bottom was wonderful.
Yeah.
How's man? Clean run, noisy good run, and yeah, didn't make too many mistakes, so I'm pretty happy. Yeah.
Like a Stevie Smith protege. Your champion, Cole Bernier! There you go. Everybody go, everybody. Jeremy McDowell, come on up.
Fernando.